Sorry, I have a weird face in that picture, but to start with my intro, I just want to greet all the mothers out there, especially to my mama, aunties, and Lula. Happy Mother's Day.
Hey guys, Friends here. So in this video, I'm doing a makeup tutorial, which is not good for me because I'm not good at makeups. But yeah, but it's been 1 year since this summer makeup tutorial video came up, and it is so cringy, and this one is cringy too. But if you like to watch some cringy videos, then continue watching because I'm gonna show you how I achieved this look. It's been 1 year since that came up today. Actually today. Like today. So if you don't like cringy videos, then I'm so sorry because this is so cringy actually. Disclaimer, this is a cringy video, so continue watching if you want some cringy videos.
So, hey guys, I don't know what I'm doing in that video. Am I speaking or singing? I don't know. So, this is my makeup box, which I put all of my makeups on. And all of that makeups is from my auntie and my sister actually. So to start with, I'm actually using my Mary Kay moisturizer, which is age fighting moisturizer. I'm applying it gently into my face, and I'm putting some moisturizer in my neck too. So for the primer, I'm using my Ariposa primer, which is makeup base. Put it into your face like you're applying some moisturizer. So don't forget to put some on your neck. So I'm actually using Trend Strobe Powder as my foundation because I have some allergies, so I don't use foundation for now. And I'm using my Trend brush. Actually, I love this product because you can use this as a highlighter because it is shimmering. And don't forget to put some on your neck. In concealer, I'm actually using my F Tone Correcting Concealer. And put some under your eyes where the dark circles are. And putting some of it in my T-zones. So I'm actually using my Trend brush to brush all the concealer around my face. So now I'm using my Wet n Wild brush to brush all the concealer under my eye. So for the brows, I'm actually using my Maybelline New York Tattoo Studio Brow Gel. So I'm putting it into my brows. I'm just putting the thinnest as I can. So I'm just using my brow brush so my brows will be set in their places. So now I'm actually using my Kylie matte lipstick in the shade of Christine. So this is Kylie lip liner. So I'm just tracing it into my lips, and this is in the shade of Christine. So I'm using the Kylie matte lipstick in the shade of Christine. It actually smells so good. Then apply it into your lips gently. Actually, I have the shade of Charm, but I love the shade of Christine really. So I'm using this Trend palette, which is so cool because all you need is already there, like blush, contour, eyeshadows, and highlighter like that. I love this product really. So I'm using this light purple shade for my base. So I'm gently putting it into my crease and my eyelid.
So I'm using this dark violet to put it into my crease. Add many as you can of eyeshadow until you are satisfied with your work. So I'm using this white eyeshadow to put it into my eyelids. So I am putting some Aeroposa metallic fluid eyeshadow into my eyelids. Put that metallic fluid eyeshadow into your lids. For my lashes, I'm gonna wear a Wet n Wild Mega Wear mascara. So I don't use falsies because I don't know how to put it on, and yeah. So I'm using my Wet n Wild in the shade of Groupie under my eyes. So I'm using my Kylie eyeliner to form a wing liner. Special thank you to my sister who gave me this. So draw a wing liner into your eyelids. So I'm gonna use this brush which came from that box. So I'm gonna use that lightest shade of brown from my palette to contour my face. So I'm putting some contour under my cheekbones. I'm also putting some into my jawbones and also in my forehead. I am using my Sakurai Peach Loose Blush. So I use some brush so I can put it into my cheeks. I apply a little bit of it and slowly into my cheeks. Back to contour, I am using my Trend palette, which is my contour in it. So I'm contouring my nose. I'm just using an applicator because it is much easier than brush. I'm using my Wet n Wild brush just to blend it up. For highlight, I'm actually using my Trend strobe powder, which I use as a foundation, and it is so good as a highlighter too. Actually, I apply it into my nose and in my cheeks too. And into my collarbone too. So that's for today's video. And if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and also subscribe for more videos because that would be mean a lot to me. But if you want to visit my social medias will be in the description down below. Check it if you want to. If you like this look, it's actually good, not good.